How to use the Stanley Pour Over Set. Step 1, heat the water. Bring at least 20 ounces of water to a boil. Step 2, add the grinds. Add 3 tablespoons of coarsely ground coffee, 4 tablespoons if you like mud, 5 tablespoons if you're shameless. 3, bloom. In a circular motion, wet the grounds with a half cup of water and watch them rise like magic. 4, pour, starting in the center and moving outward. Pour in the remaining hot water in that circular motion. It's all in the wrist. 5, serve and enjoy after 3 to 4 minutes, aka less time than it takes to read these instructions. Remove the pour over from the mug and enjoy. And that is the Stanley Pour Over Set directions.